Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Otter.ai, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, what are the free and paid plans in Otter.ai? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know what the free and paid plans are with Otter.ai? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're conducting a lot of meetings, you know that Otter.ai is a popular way to document those meetings and gather all the notes. And they offer free plans and paid plans. Whatever the case is, I'm going to show you how you can find that information because the prices could change instead of just letting you know how much I pay. So I've already logged into one of my Otter.ai accounts, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see what the difference is on the free and the paid plans, you want to click on your profile icon here on the left. Mine's an M in magenta. Okay, once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click here, account settings. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this option up here at the top. There's 6 different options. You want to click on plan. Okay guys, so here is where you can see the difference between the free and the paid plans in Otter.ai. So you can see this is a test account, so I have the free plan. So the main difference between the different plans is how many minutes that you can transcribe. So if you're running a lot of different meetings, you're probably going to run out of the free plan pretty quickly because it includes 300. However, if you're only running a few meetings a month, then this would probably be sufficient. So for example, it's 300 minutes. So if they're 30-minute meetings, that means you can get in 10 different meetings with the free plan. So if you want to upgrade, it's not really too expensive. You can choose between annually and monthly. So of course, if you go with the annually, you can choose to get a discount. So for example, Pro is $833 per month approximately if you pay annually. However, if you pay monthly, it's $16.99. And like I said, the main thing that is the big difference is you get more minutes. So for example, this one, the Pro plan includes 1,200 minutes of transcription and up to 90 minutes per conversation. So for example, if your meeting runs over 30 minutes here on the basic free plan, then it's going to cut off the conversation. You're not going to have it in one conversation. So this one goes up to 90 minutes. And then the business plan, which is $30 per month, jumps up to 6,000 monthly and up to 4 hours per conversation for transcription. So if you're just going to test it out, maybe you can go ahead and just sign up for the monthly plan, and then you can cancel at any time. If you know you're going to be using this quite often, you probably want to sign up for the annually because you get that pretty good discount. So this is 30, jumps down to 20. This one's $833 or $16.99. And then if you want to see what the difference is between the free and paid plans, you can open this up and then it shows you this chart. So for example, in the Pro plan, you can automatically sync your audio and video files into your Dropbox or into your Zoom. So you can kind of just see which one applies to you. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what the difference is on the free and paid plans in Otter.ai, that's the easiest way I know how to find that information. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.